So hi guys, and today we are doing Backdoor's monster tier list. So my favorite entity, there can only be one, just like, and I hate it. Worst entity, there can only be one. So, yeah. So let's start. Rush. Great, because he is like, he's probably the first entity to kill you in the game, unless like eyes or screech, unless in really rare cases ambush could come, or eyes, or hold, or screech. But that is like really rare. And also, Rush is pretty, and also I'd put Ambush there too because he is kind of like Rush, but very, very a higher chance of killing. And he is actually a lot scarier too. So, yeah, and then I'm going to Seek. Great. I love his chase. And like when you're just going in the Seek Chase, the music is good, the animation is good. I just love Seek Chase. It's super fun. And then we have Figure.
Charlotte,
that
your bathroom.
then we have Figure. Oh, cool.
It's in your bathroom. And it's on the shelf right above the toilet.
And then we have Figure. Oh, why did I put Rush at my favorite entity? That's at the end. Okay. And then we have Dupe. I'd say good because he's not. Because hopefully you know what is the right door. But if you don't and you go into a dupe room, he scares you a lot. I would put him at okay, but I'm gonna do good because he is able to kill you.
I thought that it was in your bathroom.
He's able to kill you, and he is just, and like when you, I think you know to like look down most of the time. Okay, halt. Sorry, you're okay. Because you're not too scary, actually. I mean, you are. Holt's able to kill me, but he's not really scary. So I'm gonna put him in bad. Screech! I hate him so much. Trash. Total trash. Sorry. And Hide, good because you know not to be in the closet for too long. And Timothy, no, good. Because he's not great because he cannot kill you. If you're super low on health, I don't think he even shows up. Who's Snare?
Anything else, Charlotte?
I
I
think
don't think so. I think it's just
I think I'll put Snare right.
outside.
Okay.
And that's my favorite.
Elliot, you got it. Did you brush your teeth yet?
Yeah. I think I'll put Snare in good because if he only appears in Greenhouse but when you're like if he is like if you're running from rush or ambush in the greenhouse and you accidentally step on him, well, you didn't know he was there, and then like and like you didn't know he was there, so yeah, and then you're definitely going to die if you don't get the cause in time from rush or ambush. So I don't know, I think this is void. I'll put him here too. I don't know why. What's that sound? Okay, glitch, good. Because, I know he's pretty rare, but he scares me. Jack, I would have given him good, but he never appears. Like, I've only seen him one time, which was a blood room, and so trash. Sorry, Jack. If you appeared more, then I gave you a good. I do not know who this is, so I'm just gonna put him at okay. Shadow, he might be a bit hard to see. I'm gonna give him a good because he is super, super, super rare, but it is actually really, really, really cool when you see him because he's so rare. Like, once I was in a really rare run, and it was the run that I beat the game. Jack came, Shadow came, all the rare ones came. Window, yeah, bad. No, not bad. Trash. Because he doesn't do anything. He just sits there out of the window. Like, I've seen him, like, out of windows, but he doesn't do anything. Jeff, great, because he really gives you stuff you need in door 52, but sometimes he does. No. I like Jeff. Jeff is so, like, he still gives you the stuff you need. El Goblino, great. Bob, great. All the entities in door 52 are great. Guiding light, great. Because if you like you can't see something, and guiding light just helps you. Like, guiding light is pretty much like the only helpful entity indoors. Blitz, good, because Blitz is from the new Backdoor update. If you didn't know about him, well, now you know. So, anyways, this is Lookman. He's also from the new Backdoor update. I'm going to give him an okay because, like, once you know not to look at him, I mean, he takes down way more health than you than Ice. He's a 2-hit kill. Well, not a 2-hit kill, like a 3-hit kill, but still. He's just very annoying. Vacuum. Vacuum, I'm gonna say good because if you go into a door that like doesn't have anything on it, he just snaps you right in and is a 1-hit kill. Haste, trash! I hate him so much! I hate Chase! Because when you run out of time, he gets you there. He just gets you there. Curious Light, Okay, he's not very helpful. He is like a hate version of Guiding Light. I don't like him. A60, good, because he is also one-hit kill, and if you try to hide back, he can still kill you. A120,
Ew.
also good, because I've died to A60 and A90, but mostly because of him. I hate That's automatic trash. I don't know who this is. Okay, because usually the people who I don't know, I put in okay. The Seek from the retro mode update, good. Because he's just super annoying. Actually, no, okay. He's super annoying because he's one-hit kill if he touches you. This Draco Blaxers, good. Evil Key, trash, I hate him so much. Greed, okay. Banana Peel, good. Subspace Trip Mine, I'm gonna give him an okay. Trip the Killer!
Elliot, we gotta get ready, okay?
I hate him so much. Now, let's see. Let's do worst first because you know they say save the best for last. Okay. The worst entity is Haste. Because when you run out of time, he is automatic kill, and if you don't find a lever in like 10 seconds, he's gonna kill you. And the best entity, Algablino, because he just gives me, he's super fun and I just love him. He's like 30% cute and he doesn't kill you. He's basically my friend. Because when I played Doors on my birthday, when I played Doors on my 10th birthday, he literally said, "Yo, happy birthday!" So I think El Gablino knows me. I think so. Yeah, me and El Gablino, basically best friends. So yeah, that's my tier list. Alright, bye guys. Hope you like this video. Please like and subscribe for more videos coming soon.